The first North Korean soldiers stationed in Russia's Kursk Oblast to aid Moscow's war have come under fire. Andriy Kovalenko, the head of the Counter-Disinformation Department at Ukraine's National Security and Defense Council, reported. The official did not provide any more details on the circumstances of the engagement or possible losses on the North Korean side. Some 8,000 North Korean troops have been deployed to Russia's Kursk Oblast to participate in the war against Ukraine, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said during a press conference. The Russian border region has seen heavy battles since Ukraine launched a cross-border offensive in early August. Moscow has deployed North Korean troops in Kursk Oblast to reinforce the defenses there, while its most experienced units continue advancing in Ukraine's east. President Volodymyr Zelensky said that if Ukraine had permission to use Western long-range weapons on Russian territory, it could preemptively target every camp in Russia where North Korean troops are gathering. Recently, Kyiv has been issuing warnings that the deployment of North Korean troops in combat is only a matter of days. Ukraine believes that Russia is preparing to send 12,000 North Korean soldiers to join its war, including special forces. According to Zelensky, Russia has confirmed to the West the involvement of Pyongyang's forces in the war.
Have you heard about Incognite? It's a service designed to help individuals regain control over their personal data by removing it from data brokers and people search websites. Data brokers collect and sell your information to third parties, which can lead to privacy breaches, unwanted marketing, and even identity theft. Incognite simplifies this process by automatically scanning for your data and sending removal requests to relevant databases. For example, huge loans have been taken under people's names without them even knowing about it. Or almost everyone experiences robocalls from time to time. If you ever wondered how they keep getting your number, the answer is data brokers. So protect your privacy in 3 easy steps. Create an account, grant Incognite the right to work for you, and kick back and watch them work. Use our code at the link below to get an exclusive 60% off an annual Incognite plan.
North Korea is believed to receive cash, food, and space technology from Russia as compensation for entering the war on its side, the Korea Herald newspaper reported, citing a lawmaker familiar with the matter. North Korean soldiers are believed to receive $2,000 per month for their service from Russia, adding up to a total of at least $200 million annually if calculated by 10,000 soldiers. Wee Sung-lak, a member of the South Korean Parliamentary Intelligence Committee, told the Korea Herald. Moscow is also believed to have helped ease North Korea's food shortage, the lawmaker said, citing intelligence briefings. The 4 million tons of grains that North Korea says it produces per year are actually about 1 million tons short of what it needs to feed the country. If Russia is offering 600,000 to 700,000 tons of rice, that is enough to cover more than half of what North Korea would need to meet the year's demand, the lawmaker was quoted as saying by the Herald. According to the Korea Herald, South Korean intelligence believes that Russia is also helping North Korea with advanced space technology, enabling Pyongyang to launch another military reconnaissance satellite. Moscow plans to form at least 5 2,000 to 3,000 strong units manned by North Korean troops, the Ukrainian ambassador to the UN, Sergei Kislitsa, said. They would be equipped with Russian uniforms and arms and integrated into formations with ethnic minorities from Russia's Far East regions to conceal their presence. Ruins of the 350-year-old city of Vovchansk, completely destroyed by the so-called Russian army during their unsuccessful offensive in the Kharkiv region. Just 6 months ago, this thriving town was home to thousands of people.
Today is October 31st, and now I'll show you the remnants left by the enemy in Vovchansk. They're destroying everything. But we're living there amidst the grenades, somehow holding on. We've been here for a month now. Bodies piled up close to us. We're making do. That's all. Glory to Ukraine.
Russian military bloggers simultaneously proposed a blunt solution to the manpower shortage for their assaults. Simply throw even more money at impoverished Russians, 10 million rubles or $100,000 each, and there will be no shortage of eager recruits. They even openly embrace the term meat assaults. And I'm asking everyone now, especially Russian supporters, how is this any different than ISIS? Ramzai thoroughly addresses the problem. Its formal aspect lies in the fact that unofficial units have proliferated in the army, which has led to the majority of fighters being spread out. And who will go into the good old meat assaults? So, they began to shift through the battalion rosters, returning everyone back to riflemen and machine gunners. I could suggest the simplest way to fill the assault units with people. What is our main motivation for volunteers, aside from serving the motherland? Financial. On every recruitment poster for volunteers, they prominently advertise up to $5,200,000 in annual income. So why not offer the assault troops double the regular salary? There will be no shortage of volunteers. The Kryla unit of the 95th Air Assault Brigade took out a Russian armored vehicle. After a precise drone strike, a mushroom cloud rose into the air. The force of the explosion suggests the vehicle was packed with explosives, indicating it was some sort of ammunition transport. And we have more of that. Logistics is very important, so here, Ukrainian unit Flying Skull destroys Russian logistics. Ukrainian drones have become a crucial factor in disrupting Russian logistics, targeting supply lines, fuel depots, and transport routes far beyond the front lines. By hitting these essential resources, drones have forced Russian forces to adapt, often slowing down their operations and stretching supply chains to their limit. Each successful strike weakens the Russian war effort, making it harder for them to sustain frontline troops. This strategy of precision attacks is reshaping the battlefield, showing how vital drone technology is in modern warfare. Russia intended to start a fire on board cargo or passenger planes flying to the US and Canada, writes the Wall Street Journal. According to representatives of Western security services, 2 incendiary devices sent via DHL were part of a secret Russian operation. These devices caught fire at DHL logistics centers back in July, one in Leipzig, Germany, and another in Birmingham, England.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.